Hey guys, so right now we are charging our car. It is 28 degrees. Earlier it was 24. We are in Texas. You wouldn't imagine wearing a beanie and a coat in Texas with a turtleneck and a sweater in Texas, but yeah, it gets that cold. It's crazy. Seriously, there's ice on the roads everywhere. Everyone is like literally driving probably 10 miles or slower. I'm still cold and I'm in my car with the heater on. It's that cold. It's icy right now. Like literally the trees have ice. The car has ice. Bit of that ice right there. So we got ice on the car, there's ice on the road. Definitely there's people falling while they're walking because there's ice on the streets and all that. So it's kind of funny. I actually almost fell, which wasn't that funny, but I definitely love it. It's just crazy because a lot of people, they're saying, oh, it's all hot in Texas. That's not true. There's different seasons and we've experienced all of it, including storms where there's lightning and thunder, and it's just so crazy. Slow and steady. Slow and steady on this icy road. 24 degrees right now, guys. 24 degrees. Okay guys, so in Austin, Texas, we had a winter storm. It was super crazy. I've never experienced anything like this in my life. I'm gonna go ahead and just share some of the stuff with you. So the last time that this ever happened was back in 1937, where Texas experienced 11 inches of snow. After that, it was 1984 to 1985, where they experienced 8.7 inches of snow. So I had to drive, you guys, super far in the icy roads, and it was crazy because, okay, so while I'm going up this hill, this SUV is going down the hill, and he looked like he was trying to turn around, but that's what I thought at first. But it turns out that he was actually sliding down the hill. I had to reverse down the hill, which was even scarier because someone could have came up behind me, maybe hit me, I don't know. But I'm so glad that we were able to get out of that situation as fast as possible. So Monday, that's when we had about the 3 to 6 inches of snow. So it snowed on Sunday, but then we got to play in the snow on Monday, which was so fun. I mean, I don't remember the last time that I was able to play in the snow, so I just went all out. I literally woke up at 6 in the morning, which I'll share with you guys. I was making snow angels. I definitely want to be the first person to actually walk on the snow. Wednesday was the day that they announced that we weren't going to have any water, but ahead of time, they actually did a really good job letting us know to, fill up any containers that we have, fill up our tub. I would have never thought to fill up the tub. And if you guys don't know why you would fill up the tub, for your toilets. But my experience has been super crazy. There's still people that are still without power or without water. It's been an experience that, you know, Texas hasn't experienced in a very long time. I really do hope that this doesn't happen again. But if it does, you know what, we're gonna be ready. We're definitely gonna make sure that we have supplies that we're gonna need to, you know, go through this again. And if it does, you know what, it's actually really good to get out of your comfort zone. It definitely kind of shook up my routine. There's so much snow. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, I'm having such a great time making these videos for you. Don't forget to like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button. That way you won't have to miss out on any of my videos. I hope you guys have a blessed day today, and peace. Oh, I want to show you guys my little, this is my little pod. Thanks for hanging out with you guys. Bye.